Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how to reset the device through recovery mode. So to get started, we will need to power off the device by holding the power key. From here, slide it down to power off. Once it shuts off, you then want to hold the power key and volume down. So let's do that right now. Power, volume down, and hold it till you see the REALME logo. From here, select your language. Now, sorry for the visibility, that's just the brightness of the display in this mode, but let's just tap on English for me. And then you want to select wipe data, just a middle option. Now, if you don't have any kind of pattern, PIN, password, whatever kind of protection on your device, it will tell you to insert this random PIN that is right here. If you do have some kind of protection on your device, it will then tell you to confirm that instead of this random number here. So I'm gonna put 2389, and from here you're gonna tap on format data, and then format, and the process will begin. Now this part takes just around like a couple seconds, and it's about done. Okay, there we go. So wipe successful. Confirm it by tapping on OK, and now the process will continue in the background, and it will take about a minute or so. And once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, so I'm gonna insert a pin for my SIM card. And there we go. Now we're on the setup screen. So that is how you would reset your device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.